Hello, everybody. Welcome to another episode of Behind the Seams. I am here joined today with Mr. Jon Witschy. Jon, how are you?
I am great. How are you doing, Rob?
Good. Thanks for joining me today.
Of course.
So Jon, for those of you who don't know Jon, he is our newest member of our U.S. sales team. He is our regional sales manager for the U.S. And comes to George Courey with a ton of experience, not only in the institutional laundry business, but of course hospitality and healthcare. So Jon, as we've already spoken, of course, happy to have you on the team. How
Thank
has it
you.
been at George Courey so far?
It's been exciting. Lots of learning. I've worked in the commercial laundry and industrial laundry business for 30 plus years now.
Veteran
But
in the business.
yeah, but I've always been on the vendor side, always been involved in software and automation, control systems, that kind of thing. So learning the textile piece, there's a lot to pick up. Now I don't not many people know this probably from my past conversations, but I actually do have a textile engineering degree
Come on.
that I do. I've just kind of indirectly used it throughout the years. And actually, somewhere back on my bookshelf, I've got all my old textile textbooks and production, manufacturing, the chemistry involved, dyeing and finishing, all of that fun stuff.
So,
So
so,
I've had
so
to.
this partnership was a long time coming. Is that what you're saying?
It I
Jeez.
I've come full circle finally.
Well, there you go. Well, of course, we're happy to have you, and of course, welcome to the team again. For those of you who don't know Jon, he's in market. So if you're in a specific area that he's managing, of course, you'll be hearing from Jon. So Jon, tell me what you're working on these days. What's new in your world?
So, I talked about my history working as a supplier to the laundry business. I took a brief venture out. I joined some old friends of mine who worked in the vacation rental business. I
Nice.
again worked on the vendor side. We were an amenity provider, a service provider to the property managers. But dealing with those places that you rent, typically at the beach. That was kind of our biggest market up and down the East Coast and around the Gulf Coast. Beach homes and condos. So one of the things that I'm doing now that I'm on the team with George Courey Inc. is kind of focus on some of that outreach and working with those companies to take their textile concerns off their hands. Basically, let them do what they do well, which is manage the property, ensure a great guest experience as far as checkout during their stay, or
Mm-hmm.
excuse me, check
Mm-hmm.
in, the stay, check out, and let us take on that key piece of the guest experience, which is
Right.
high quality bed linens, towels,
Right.
the look and feel of those things in the property obviously is key to enjoying a good vacation.
Yeah, I mean, listen, of course, we love our vacation rental property customers and amazing people. Some of them, small businesses, let's say, and of course, you have the larger entities as well. But I know that when you came on board, we had a great discussion about it, and the philosophy of that guest experience, and really partnering with these folks and understanding what message and what feel they're trying to deliver to their customers, right? Because it's not necessarily the cookie cutter type of business, right? This is
Mhm.
all in market, very community based, right? And there is a special thing about these properties, different than the large, hotel entities out there, that is very much, same old and keep going, right? So you know what you're getting, you know what you're doing. These guys, it's like the experience is what it's all about. That's why people keep coming, right? Is to feel like
Exactly.
you're local, to feel like you're part of the community. And I think the philosophy you have is again, the linens and the hotel bed and the bathroom experience should be a part of that conversation, right? So I know that you talk to a lot of folks about that.
Exactly.
So yeah, and there's a ton that we can offer in regard to those things. So how are those conversations going?
They're going well. I mean, we're still learning. There's a lot of Call it innovation going on there. Moving from the kind of, hey, ad hoc, I'm going to go get all my stuff locally, to, working with a company like George Courey, where we do a lot of, planning of our inventory so that we're
Yeah.
ready to support folks, and scheduling deliveries. And then a lot of back and forth as far as, hey, what are the quality levels, for, because they've obviously got varying degrees of properties too.
Hmm.
What are the quality levels to meet these different areas? And then, I mean, people say it all the time, hey, make in your house, make sure you get a good bed. You spend a
Yeah.
third of your life in it. When you're on vacation, you want to make sure that's a comfortable and enjoyable experience for guests as well.
Right. Sometimes I wish I can spend more time in my bed. It's okay. It's okay.
I have those days. I have those days too.
Yeah, I'm sure. I'm sure. Yeah, well, that's great. And you know what? Listen, I think there's some amazing vacation rental properties and business out there, and of course, we are expanding in that market, as you know, John. We're getting involved more in associations. So yeah, we look forward to talking with more and more people, being able to help these businesses scale up, with our inventory in market and all that fun stuff. So yeah, we have we love those guys, and there's a lot of business out there, and you know what? There's such some of these properties, John, are just beautiful, right? I mean, we've
Oh
come
yeah.
across some of these companies, and we see some of that. We go online and look at their portfolio and all that stuff, and I mean, right? There's some gorgeous properties out
Oh
there.
yeah.
It's crazy.
Okay. Whether condo or a townhome, a standalone, so
Yeah.
the detached, single family unit. Yeah, I mean, there's so many of them are just beautiful.
But I think that's the best part about that industry, right? Is that it's not exactly the same. Like you mentioned, you can have one company managing how many thousands of rooms of something, and you can have homes in that portfolio, $1 million homes. You can have condo units within a specific market. You can have right on the beach. You can have huge hotel style properties. It's like there is so much that could be done in such a versatile industry. It's
Mhm.
so much fun to be a part of. I love it.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. It's exciting.
Um,
That and
so we want to
everything we're
talk.
doing at George Curry.
Right there you go. There you go. We want to talk more about hospitality, right? So, what are we seeing in terms of some trends? What do you have? What are we looking at? What's something that George Corey is bringing to the industry that we can see some of these hotel properties, vacation rental properties, kind of looking towards? What is it that George Corey has, in your experience being the newest team member, what do we have and what are we offering that's really exciting right now?
Well, and as far as a trend, trends go, it's one of the things that we have seen in the various, all the various markets that we service, whether it's hospitality, healthcare, surgical. Um, and it's something that the laundry companies have seen. It's something that so many
Hmm.
businesses have seen. It is consolidation.
Hmm.
And so, kind of circling back to what I mentioned a little bit earlier about the planning and the logistics it takes to have the inventory available
Yeah.
for properties. With that consolidation, I spoke to someone just the other day about, hey, we've acquired these businesses in different markets, and each of them has a different way of going about, not
Hmm.
not just procurement of textiles but other things too. And they're working on a centralized or a standardized plan for that. And
Right.
again, that's where our experience, 116 years of delivering to laundries and direct to hospitality providers or healthcare providers, whether we're talking about hundreds of thousands of pounds or millions of pounds of product in a
Hmm.
year.
Yep.
um we're able to work with them to put together just the right structure and the right procurement program moving forward.
Yeah, and I think and I think you're absolutely correct in your point, John, and the fact that our expertise goes beyond just the product, right, in terms of manufacturing, but also on the laundry side, right, with all that experience we have with laundries, to know that when we're offering a product, it's been tested and it has the customer's, budget in mind, in the sense of how long, what's the longevity of the product in those wash facilities, right? Because some of that can be pretty harsh conditions, right?
Mhm.
Some of these institutional laundry. So we know that our products are geared for that, which means the longevity of those items, it goes further for our customers, and of course everything that we have is built around durability, quality control, and quality, right? So there's a lot more than meets the eye sometimes, as they say.
Mhm. Yeah, sure. Well, and just kind of a quick tangent. You talk about the longevity of the product and the proper processing. I mean, those are things where we work with our customers as well. I mean, we have the instructions for use on a product. How are you going to get the best life out of it? We talk about the opportunities to grow in the vacation rental market. As well as our other markets. Um, we're trying to expand those markets. Like another one of our current customers, I'm working with them right now on justifying or not justifying, but showing the benefits of the reusable product over a disposable product for one of their end
Hmm.
users. So,
Right.
we're not just increasing market share, we're growing that
Hmm.
market itself. And so yeah, I've provided life cycle assessments, cost assessments that show, hey, the reusable product is more cost effective than the disposable, and then it has the smaller environmental impact. There's just so many benefits there. So that's the kind of expertise and knowledge that our team brings to the partnership as well.
No, absolutely, absolutely, and I think it's extremely valuable. Our customers, obviously, I know, value that, and we have great partnerships there, in the market, of course. So, at George Courey, how has it been so far? I want to bring it back a little bit to your experience at George Courey. Again, one of the newest team members. I want to bring it back to how was the integration? How was the onboarding? How was the experience you had at George Courey? Of course, I know usually I'm never available to talk to anybody, of course, but how has it been so far at I guess the newest company for you?
Oh, it's been great. So I am roughly, actually, today, almost exactly 6 months in. Um,
Wow,
yeah, yeah.
congratulations.
Thank you,
It's
thank you.
exciting.
Obviously, yeah, I was familiar with the laundry business. I knew a lot of the team just from seeing them in at trade events, or even seeing them in market at our common customers. Back in my prior life elsewhere. But it's a ton of learning. I mean, the rest of the team, Robert Horowitz, Jeff Curry, Matthew Victor, the knowledge that those guys bring and have
Yeah.
shared. Like I said, haven't gotten everything from that textbook that's on my shelf. I've gotten most of the info from those
Dust
guys.
it off maybe, or
Yeah, yeah. But
yeah.
just that, and then certainly, I've been in hundreds, maybe thousands of laundries at this point in time.
Mhm,
And
mhm,
working on the equipment side, I see everything. I see the textiles come in and out, and the processing that goes on. But it has definitely been a learning experience. And again, all of the team has helped me out with this. A learning experience regarding the planning that it takes to
mhm,
get
right.
get stock in, allocate it for the customers based on their projections, and based on our growth projections. Get those items out reliably and on time. There's been a ton of learning on all the inner workings of that. But yeah, the team's been great. Always available to answer my questions. Always happy to point things out that I might need to learn to do a little bit
Sure.
differently in my day to day. But yeah,
Right.
it's good. It's been great.
Okay, great. Well, I'm happy to hear it. I know, especially as a remote worker, right? Because you're just outside of Atlanta, if I'm not
Yes.
mistaken.
Yeah.
So as a remote worker as well, a lot of this sort of interaction like we're having now on Teams
Yeah.
or online is pretty commonplace. But I'm glad to hear the experience is going well. Obviously, it's very important to us to make sure everybody feels part of the family, as our employees do, as well as of course our customers. So yeah, I think that's great. Well, I'm happy to hear that. And of course, we have a lot of exciting projects on the go and a lot of exciting conferences to attend in the next coming months. So look out for Jon. If you haven't already talked to him or seen him, please give him a ring. I'm sure he'll be reaching out to you as well. And of course, just a quick note, by the way, that both Jon and Robert Horowitz, our U.S. team, are looking for a new member of the U.S. team. So if anybody's out there interested in sales that likes to give it a crack, I'd love to get in touch. So reach out. We'd love to hear from you, and we are filling the role. So it's an exciting time to be a part of George Courey. And thanks, Jon. Thanks for the conversation. Thanks for
Hey,
joining me
certainly.
on this podcast. And
Of
I
course.
appreciate it. And we'll talk to you soon.
All right. Take care.
Thank you for joining us on another episode of Behind the Scenes, everybody. Take care.